Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to explore one of the most important aspects of personal growth, uncovering your limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and stories that keep you stuck in old patterns. By identifying them, you take the first step towards breaking free and stepping into a more empowered version of yourself. Limiting beliefs are the hidden thoughts and stories we tell ourselves that create barriers to our growth and success. These beliefs often operate below the surface, shaping how we see ourselves and what we think is possible in our lives. In this lesson, we'll dive into what limiting beliefs are, explore common examples, and guide you in becoming aware of the beliefs that may be holding you back. Awareness is the first step to change. If you don't know what's holding you back, it's nearly impossible to move forward. By understanding and identifying your limiting beliefs, you'll gain clarity on what needs to shift so you can unlock your potential and achieve the goals you've set for yourself. Recognizing these beliefs allows you to start the process of reprogramming your mindset for success. Limiting beliefs are often rooted in past experiences or societal conditioning. These beliefs can act as barriers to your personal growth. So, what are limiting beliefs? Any ideas, thoughts, or perceptions about yourself that you believe as truth, but are actually holding you back from achieving the life you desire. These limiting beliefs no longer serve you or allow you to get the results that you keep striving to attain. You simply won't be able to attain the life that you want without there always being a sense of something missing or you sabotaging it. Examples of typical limiting beliefs are I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, or I'm not lovable. These core beliefs connect to other beliefs that show up in your day to day. I can't possibly take that job. I can't possibly go up to that person and talk to them. This is just what life gave me, so I will deal with it. Nothing good ever happens to me. The core beliefs are usually stored in your subconscious, where the other beliefs are usually at the surface of your mind and how you speak to yourself. If you are wondering what is a limiting belief versus a realistic belief, a limiting belief is often based on fear and past experiences and uses what we learned before, universal quantifiers, modal operators of necessity or possibility, and is usually disempowering. Where a realistic belief is based on an assessment of a current situation, growth oriented, empowering, and comes with curiosity. Some examples. It's impossible for me to get a raise, but you don't even ask for the raise. Versus, I'm going to ask for a raise and see what they say. At least you ask, not knowing if you will get the raise or not. I can't find my ideal partner. Versus, I am going to go out and explore the world and meet new people and see what is out there. And finally, I will never be good at public speaking. You have already admitted defeat. Versus, I will take public speaking classes so I learn and improve every day. You have a growth mindset there. The impact of these limiting beliefs becomes self-imposed barriers, shaping how you think, feel, and behave in ways that prevent you from stepping into your full potential. To create your desired life, it's essential to recognize and let go of these limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering thoughts that align with your current goals and values. By doing so, you open up new possibilities for growth, success, and fulfillment. Understand that uncovering limiting beliefs requires self-reflection and honesty. Awareness is the first step towards breaking free from these limiting beliefs. Journaling is the best way to start this process of identifying your thoughts and therefore your limiting beliefs. You can either carry your journal around with you and take notes throughout the day, or at the end of the day, journal what your day was like. Remember, what we think and the language we speak to ourselves creates the values and beliefs in our subconscious mind. If you believe that your limiting belief is so deeply ingrained and hard to change, well, guess what? You are programming your subconscious mind. I'm not saying that we take a magic wand and change our beliefs. I'm saying to watch what you say. Trust that you are here and learning this for a reason, and that change is possible, and that you will let go of the limiting beliefs that no longer serve you and instead install beliefs that will empower you to create the life that you want. Here are some journal prompts for you. Reflect on the following prompts to uncover your limiting beliefs. What do you think about yourself? What do you believe is possible or impossible for you? In what situations do these limiting beliefs come up most strongly? After journaling, review what you've written and look for patterns or recurring themes. Note any common beliefs or phrases that stand out, as these may point you to your core limiting beliefs. Please pause this recording and answer the questions before continuing the lesson. To recap, you've learned what limiting beliefs are, explored common examples, and begun to identify your own through reflective journaling. By bringing these beliefs to the surface, you've taken the first step towards challenging and changing them. Reflection question number 1. What are 3 limiting beliefs you identified during your journaling exercise? Reflection question number 2. How do these beliefs show up in your daily life and decision making? Reflection question number 3. What impact have these beliefs had on your growth and progress so far? Spend time reflecting on the limited beliefs you've uncovered and notice how they influence your thoughts and actions this week. Practice awareness by catching yourself when these beliefs come up. That's it for this lesson. Get ready for the next lesson where we'll explore how to begin reprogramming these limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering thoughts.